Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to scroll down to find the passwords and security. And as you can see, actually the very first section is connected with the screen lock, so let's simply tap on fingerprint unlock. And as you can see, right now we have to set the screen lock, so the pattern pin or password, which may seem kind of strange, let's say, but it's quite important because thanks to this, if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will obviously wipe out all of the data from your device. So it's quite important. You will have to do it because if you will not set the screen lock, you will not be able to add the fingerprint. So let me pick the pattern. Here we've got the info, and basically this is the same thing that I've just told you, so just tap on got it. And here we have to set the pattern, so let me draw it, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the info about in-screen fingerprint sensor because it is not, let's say, physical somewhere here on the side of our device or on the back. We've got it right on the screen. So we've got the info about the protectors that they may affect the efficiency of the fingerprints. So just tap on got it. And as you can see, we've got the fingerprint scanner. So all we have to do right now is to simply put our finger on the sensor, and right now just do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner, every side of your device. Of course, for better recognition, change the places after feeling the vibration feedback. And as you can see, it's quite easy in this device. So we just added our fingerprints, so just tap on done. And here we've got all the options which are connected to the fingerprint unlock. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if we want to, or remove it here. So it's of course up to you. Let me rename it. And if you're ready, just tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. Under it, we've got the option add fingerprint, so we can add another. Probably we can add up to 5 fingerprints. Here we've got the section in which we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So defaultly the lock screen option is turned on. Of course you can turn it off, but you can also use the fingerprint for the privacy password, the app lock, shortcuts or fingerprint payments. It's of course up to you. I will stick with only lock screen. And here you've got some customization, so you can change the fingerprint animation. As you can see, after tapping on it, you've got 4 different options from which you can choose. Just tap on the one you'd like to use and go back. Here you've got also the option connected with low light fingerprint unlock and show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. So of course it's up to you if you'd like to turn it on or off. I will stick with those settings, and now we can lock the screen in order to check if it is working. So let's lock the device. And as you can see right here, we've got the fingerprint sensor. So even if it is not visible, you can try to put the finger right in this place. And as you can see, it worked. The device is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.